engine braking always works better than I think it does. Until, like, you actually need to stop, then it's just like, dude, your engine isn't a brake, what are you talking about? You're such an idiot. But... so guys, this is gonna be my first, like, official introduction to my channel and my YouTube. My first official video should hopefully start with this. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna cover yet on my videos. Probably something funny, hopefully. Fucking something that people want to watch, but... I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how this starts out. I want to do some beginner videos. Not the traditional beginner videos, though. Nothing like how to shift gears on a motorcycle. You have a clutch, you have a gear shift. What the fuck more do you need to know? So there's no real reason for that to be covered. And how to ride on a motorcycle, don't touch the ground. I don't know. I feel that those are all pretty common things. They're things people have questions about, no doubt. But they've been covered a lot. And so I don't feel much need in covering them myself. And so I want to cover things that people don't normally cover. Like things you weren't expecting to deal with a motorcycle. Like, I don't know, the fucking bugs and their love of your visor, or something like that. How useful engine braking is something they didn't cover. Like, I don't even think they covered engine braking. But geez, this shit useful, yo. If you're wondering where my location is, it's called fucking New Mexico. If you look on the map, it's actually called fucking New Mexico. But there's not a lot of people here. And there's not a lot of anything going on. Literally a majority of the population lives along a river, the Rio Grande. And I doubt any of you really care about that, but I'll probably throw that in the video too. There's just not a lot of people here. As an estimate, I'll probably throw the actual number up as like a little annotation somewhere. Or not an annotation, but a title or something. But New Mexico has a total of like 2.5 million people in it or something. Like, literally, like, a city like San Antonio or Los Angeles, Los Angeles, Jesus Christ, of course, has more people in that one city than this entire state has. And it doesn't really matter. That's just some, like, history, I guess, or information about this state. We're a very poor state. That's why our roads are so crappy. And you know, hey. But yeah, so that's a little information, I guess, if any of you care. For all one person who will actually probably see this video for the next God knows how long. But, yeah. I have quite a few topics I want to talk about, but I kind of want to leave them, you know, for later. Not right now with my crappy audio and my crappy crapness and stuff. Huh. Like, I'm just starting out with all this jack, if you can't tell by the fact there's only, like, 2 videos on my channel. I'm sure you could have deduced that. But, so, try to hang tight while I get all this shit figured out. I would say, like, hey, I'm not going to put any videos out till I have my audio and my video and all that figured out, but I have, like, no patience. And so, I'm not going to wait that long. I can't bring myself to do that. But, so between the audio, video, trying to figure out what I'm going to do with everything, I don't know. Like, I guess I'm lucky since there's so many other motovloggers out there already that have already, like, you know, this is the camera you use, this is some audio we use, here's some tips and shit. So you hit the ground on your feet. You don't just fall face first. But just because you land on your feet doesn't mean you know how to take a step, you know? Because that makes sense, I'm sure. You don't even know I'm here? I just creeped up on your ass. And you didn't even say hi. I'm hurt. You didn't even look back. Fuck it, let's follow him. I'm stalking you, boy. What is that? Check that out. How cute. What's up, bro? Wave retardedly or don't wave retard. No! Oh, Cena, how could you say that? Low battery? I was just at a place where I could have charged you. Why didn't you say something then? This is literally like a 30-minute drive that I still have ahead of me. And you let me down. Oh, you just left me out here all alone. By myself. Ow. Damn it, Cena. Cena will probably won't even make it through this light. How could you just leave me here? Oh, and the light changes right away. No! Cena, don't. No, don't say goodbye. Think of everything we've been through. You can't just leave me. Wonder if this dude will wave at me. Yeah, he did. That's what's up. Most of the guys around here on cruisers are just really chill dudes. What's up, bruh? No? No? Fuck you. What a dick. Because I'm chill. Buy, pay here? What? I don't get what that... Oh, that's a bunch of people stopped. Really? You're letting me down, son. No feet, like a pro. I'm sure that's a game a lot of bikers play. Coming up to a stoplight or something that's been red for a while. Or just fucking, for some reason, traffic stopped. And you try to not put your foot down. If you don't have to put your foot down, that means you're a straight up boss. And you're like a professional rider and shit. Because if you've ever seen MotoGP racers, like their feet are always up. I don't think they actually come off those bikes. They probably sleep like that, I don't know. So, you do it because Well, frankly, because you're coming up to a stoplight and you have absolutely nothing else to do. Ow. Every time I close my visor and I make sure that the whistly bit is sealed up because this visor sucks, I block you all with my wrist. Because I know you want to look at my wrist. You want to know, does this man cut himself? And the answer is yes. It turns me on. Shut the fuck up. Don't judge me. Only God can judge or something like that, I'm sure. By the way, this is the valley that I tell you about. Oh shit. Oh, it's so gross. This is the valley of New Mexico, if you ever wonder. I'm gonna have to sneeze again. Oh, it's all splattered on the inside of my visor. Ew. It's gross. That's something that, like, common sense will warn you about, but no one will. No one will warn you, by the way, when you sneeze in your helmet, just, like, imagine someone sneezing in your face. It's all contained and it's all on your face. Because it likes your face, okay?